Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that plagues every entrepreneur at some point: financial management. Juggling invoices, tracking expenses, and ensuring smooth cash flow can feel like wrangling a pack of rabid weasels. But fear not, my fellow business warriors. There's a secret weapon out there, and it's called Qonto. What is Qonto? Imagine a business bank account designed specifically for the modern entrepreneur. That's Qonto in a nutshell. Forget the traditional banking experience with its mountains of paperwork and labyrinthine bureaucracy. Qonto offers a streamlined, online platform that makes managing your business finances a breeze. Why do you need Qonto? Let's face it, traditional banks haven't exactly kept pace with the dynamic world of startups and small businesses. You need a financial partner that understands your needs and can adapt to your growth. Here's where Qonto shines. Effortless setup. Gone are the days of visiting brick-and-mortar banks and filling out endless forms. Qonto allows you to open an account entirely online in about 10 minutes. Seamless expense tracking. Say goodbye to overflowing shoeboxes of receipts. Qonto integrates seamlessly with your spending, automatically categorizing transactions and generating clear reports. Smart business cards. Ditch the generic plastic. Qonto offers sleek physical and virtual business cards that can be customized to reflect your brand. Collaboration made easy. Need to involve team members in your finances? Qonto allows you to assign spending limits and permissions, fostering transparency and accountability. Effortless international payments. The world is your marketplace. Qonto makes international transfers a breeze, eliminating hidden fees and ensuring smooth transactions with global partners. How to create your Qonto account, step by step. Alright, convinced? Let's walk you through the simple process of setting up your Qonto account. Step 1. Head over to Qonto's website. Step 2. Choose your plan. Qonto offers different plans based on your business needs, so take a moment to explore their options and select the one that best suits you. Step 3. Fill out the online form. This includes basic information about your company and its legal structure. Step 4. Verification time. Qonto will need to verify your identity. This usually involves uploading a valid ID and some basic company documents. Step 5. Welcome to the club. Once your information is verified, your Qonto account will be up and running. You will receive your unique IBAN number, allowing you to start receiving and making payments immediately. Pro tip: don't forget to explore Qonto's mobile app. It allows you to manage your finances on the go, making it perfect for the busy entrepreneur. Bonus features you'll love. Integrated invoicing. Generate and send professional invoices directly from your Qonto account, streamlining your billing process. Real-time transaction notifications. Stay on top of your finances with instant alerts for every transaction. Multi-currency support. Qonto allows you to hold and manage funds in multiple currencies, simplifying international transactions. So, is Qonto the perfect solution? As with any financial product, it's important to consider your specific needs. However, for the vast majority of startups and small businesses, Qonto offers a compelling combination of features and ease of use. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more content to help you conquer the business world. Until next time.